know, just a bunch of young EAS students. We never been to Tallulah Gorge before, but we are here now though.
Blow, blow, blow.
Raindrops, dome top, quartzite and schist metamorphic rock. Up here learning about this rock. Double folding of the Earth's crust.
Hey.
It came from nothing to something bigger. 500 million years, maybe quicker. Call it the rain, it'll come and hit you. Cry me a river, give you a tissue.
The rock is old, eroding, because the river's still flowing.
Hey.
And the wind is still blowing, 2 miles long and 1,000 feet high.
Blow.
The rock is old, eroding, because the river's still flowing. And the wind is still blowing, 2 miles long and 1,000 feet high.
Quartzite, woo, 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 woo. Folding and folding, eroding, water making the rocks loose. It takes the rocks from the top, and they keep flowing, don't stop. Made the gorge walls loose. Hey, 6 waterfalls, woo. From up top, the view so lovely. 1,200 steps that right under me. On the way down, make sure you stop and see all the different rock formations, please.
Some plants here are rare. Yeah, please try not to stare. The monkey face orchard is fine, endangered, but it's never gonna die. Because the sun sets east to west, the north side plants have it the best. Did you know the gorge is once a beach, but through some pressure and a lot of heat, the gorge we now know exists. Then it goes to the Tortuga. There's a remix about and bougie, but this version's about the Earth's beauty.
The rock is old, eroding, because the river's still flowing. And the wind is still blowing, 2 miles long and 1,000 feet high. The rock is old, eroding, because the river's still flowing. And the wind is still blowing, 2 miles long and 1,000 feet high.